in today's episode, we are diving into a topic that explores two very different parenting styles.
I learned by seeing my experiences and maybe a little bit of help from teachers. Like this absolute thing doesn't work. I need to be patient. I need to first see her point of view, then react rather than reacting first,
Yeah.
expecting her to. So I think, a middle ground.
With experience,
Yeah,
being neither too strict, not too aloof, and, kind of becoming friends with children, winning their confidence.
these are very small things.
But they go a long way.
They see it. Teachers are the second mothers is what I've always said. And I think especially when I've seen with my kids, after mine, the second approval that my kids look for are teachers.
So that way, schools and parents, they have to work hand in hand
So
for bringing the best out of each child. Because children today are pressurized.
from all the sides, so many of that children leave the schools and this.
Head straight towards the coaching classes. That is a societal pressure you are going through even today.
And I will not deny, I do have my moments of doubt.
You need a lot of courage to do that because using today's lingo, FOMO. You must be going through that.
So I could be hands-on, or rather trying to tell them from my experiences on where they could go wrong.
Yes.
Then I leave it to them. And I think give them space to make their own mistakes.
And it's always good that they do things and experiment in front of you rather than, hiding and doing it behind your back.
Yeah.
I have seen at times even parents feeling a bit lost, And I think that is where we have to equip ourselves with a lot of knowledge and information which is available all around us so that children are at least confident that if I talk to my parent, I'll get the right direction.